everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on World No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day is observed annually on May 31st. It aims to raise awareness about the harmful effects of tobacco use. The day was established by the World Health Organization (WHO) in 1987. Each year focuses on a specific theme such as tobacco and lung health or preventing youth tobacco use. It highlights the severe health risks associated with tobacco, including cancer, heart disease, and respiratory issues. Events and campaigns educate the public on the dangers of tobacco and the benefits of quitting. The day promotes the implementation of effective tobacco control policies. Countries around the world participate in activities and events to mark the day. The day provides resources and support for individuals trying to quit smoking. The ultimate goal is to reduce tobacco consumption and protect future generations from its harms. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.